ṣe èèyàn gbọ́ kì í ṣara wa ni.
Kátàn lẹ́kẹ̀rà. Kátàn tàgítàjú lẹ́kẹ̀rà. Get down!
Another challenge, double challenge. Double challenge, another challenge, double challenge.
Emilokan have got to be citizens. All they care is just for them and them alone. The senators, the lawmakers, they are all criminals. But they are criminals. They have exploited us. We are sick.
Nigeria workers! Great Nigeria workers! Well, my name is Comrade Ebilokan, the NASU chairman, University of Lagos branch. Well, it's just a pity that we have government that refuse to listen to the yearning of our members. 4 months with 10 salary, we are agitating for it. When President Bola Ahmed Tinubu assumed duty as a president of Federal Republic of Nigeria, he gave waiver to all the members of all the workers in the university who went on strike in 2022. And at the end of the day, the government attended to Academic Staff Union of University. Is that fair enough? Is that fair enough? And we are saying no to divide and rule. We are saying no to divide and rule. We are saying no to divide and rule. As this has been directed by the National, this is just a one-day protest. The mother of protest will take place by next week. Please, our colleagues, I would like to use this opportunity to encourage our colleagues again. Be ready. Be ready for this struggle. No retreat, no surrender. No retreat, no surrender. No retreat, no surrender. I want to assure you that we are going to collect our witness salary without any further delay. The Minister of Education agreed on the channels that there was a communication gap between March and now. And then we're supposed to correct the error? Yes. By now we should have our 4 months without salary in our various accounts. It's such a pity. The Minister of Labour State, Mrs. Honorable Njerica, what's her name? She is not capable to manage that ministry. We are saying it with authoritatively. She is not capable to manage that Ministry of Labour and Productivities. We are saying it to the head. Please communicate our views to her. Communicate our views to the president, to the president. We want our without salary, and it must be paid without any further delay. That is our demand. That is our demand. You can imagine, 2009 agreement is still there. The agreement is already due for the negotiation, and nothing has been done. Nothing has been done till date. We say no to divide and rule again.
What caused that strike? Because federal government refused to carry out all the agreements, memorandum of understanding that were signed between our unions and the federal government. Great Nigerian workers. Because they failed to do anything about those agreements, that was what led to that strike. Immediately after that strike, the federal government delegates met with the leadership of our unions, and they also agreed that these 4 months with their salaries will be paid without delay. So far so good. Since last year, nothing has been done. In the month of March, our national leaders directed us to go on 7 days warning strike, which was carried out in the University of Lagos. We went on 7 days warning strike. After that 7 days warning strike, as of today, nothing has been done.
Yes, sir.
Therefore, we are using today as a protest in all universities in the country. This protest is to sensitize the community and the university itself that very soon we might go on indefinite strike. Yes, sir. Get Nigerian workers. Yes. By 18th of February, there is going to be a national protest in Abuja. Yes, sir. After that, 18th of July, that is next week, Thursday, a national protest is taking place in Abuja. Yes, sir. If between today and next week Thursday, nothing is being done by the government, and that protest takes place, we should be ready to go on indefinite strike. Great Nigerian workers. No retreat. No retreat. Great Nigerian workers
in the university system, and that is the way it is, and that is the way it shall be forever. Greatest NASU, greatest SSANU. Our issues go beyond just 4 months arrears of salaries. It affects the fundamental fabric of our dignity and our respect as workers in the university system. We went on strike in 2022 over the issues of renegotiation of our 2009 agreement, over the issues of end allowances that remained unpaid since 2009, over the issues of IPPIS. Till today, none of those issues have been addressed. Oh, yes. We went on strike, and at the end of the day, having followed all due processes, and I must say it, just as it was established today in the courts, SSANU and NASU are unions that follow law. Yes. They follow the rule of law. Yes. We undertook our strike in 2022, following all due processes as laid down in our labor laws. As such, as far as we are concerned, our action should not be criminalized. We did not call off or suspend our strike in 2022 by coercion. There was a collective bargaining agreement in August 2022. And that collective bargaining agreement included a non-victimization clause that said that no member of SSANU and NASU will be victimized on account of that clause. Comrades, tell me, by denying you 4 months' salaries, have you not been victimized? That is a breach of that agreement. I want to thank you, my comrades, because what I've seen here is a show of courage and is a show of defiance. This is the first step.
Yes.
Branches have been directed, and I'm happy University of Lagos has fully complied. Next week, we shall all converge. As many of you that can be sponsored by the branches, we shall all converge at Abuja, and we shall undertake a massive protest rally. After that rally, if our issues have not been addressed, we shall embark on a strike. That strike shall demand your courage, because they will test you, they will intimidate you, they may deny you your salaries again. But when reality is that we are not less Nigerians than those people in the National Assembly. We are not less Nigerian than those people in the Senate. We are not less Nigerian than those people who hold political appointments. We should not be denied of our rights. We are citizens of Nigeria. And as far as we are concerned, we have not jabbed. We remain in this country. And as our youth say, we die here. Thank you very much.